Hello friends, today's topic is marketing, its nature and scope. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jyoti Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. In this presentation, the content that will be covered: introduction to marketing, nature of marketing, scope of marketing. Then firstly, we should understand what marketing means. As per Philip Kotler, marketing is the social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and values with others. In one line, we can define marketing as a societal process. Why it is called societal process? Because it identifies the needs and wants of the customers, converting those needs and wants into products and services, and then offer to them so that they just purchase the product and fulfill the need. Nature of marketing. Marketing is an economic function. Marketing includes all the business activities involved in getting goods and services from the hands of producer into the hand of final consumers with a motive to earn money. Marketing is a legal process by which ownership transfers. In the process of marketing, the ownership of goods transfer from seller to the purchaser or from producer to the end users. Marketing is a system of interactive business activities. Marketing is that process through which a business, enterprise, institution, or organization interacts with the customers and stakeholders with the motive to earn profit, satisfying customers, and manage relationship. It is the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producer to consumer or the end user. Marketing is a managerial function. According to managerial or system approach, marketing is the combination of activities designed to produce profit through creating, stimulating, and satisfying the needs and wants of a selected segment of the market. Marketing is a social process. As discussed earlier, why marketing is called a social process? Because it identifies the need of the customers and accordingly fulfillment of those needs by offering products or services. Marketing has dual objective. First is profit making, second is consumer satisfaction. Profit is basically the major rod for the company through which the company can take decision regarding future investment or determining the future course of action. Second is customer satisfaction. Satisfaction plays an important role for the company because if a customer is satisfied, he or she will again purchase the product from the company, or he or she will add more and more customers to the company. Next, scope of marketing. The first scope of marketing means study of consumer wants and needs. Marketing identifies the needs and wants of the customers, which type of needs and wants they are having or which are not fulfilled by the existing products. Study of consumer behavior. Marketers perform study of consumer behavior. Analysis of buyer behavior helps marketer in market segmentation and targeting. Production planning and development. Production planning and development starts with the generation of product ideas and ends with the product development and commercialization. Product planning includes everything from branding and packaging to product line expansion and contraction. Next is pricing policies. Marketer has to determine pricing policies for their products. Pricing policies differ from product to product. It depends on the level of competition, product life cycle, marketing goals and objectives, etc. The next is distribution. Study of distribution channel is important for the marketers. For maximum sales and profit, goods are required to be distributed to the maximum consumer at minimum cost. Next is promotion. Promotion includes personal selling, sales promotion and advertising. Right promotion mix is crucial in completion of marketing goals. Next is marketing control. Marketing control is just like a supervisory activity which is done by the company in order to check the planned activities are going in a right track or not. if it is going on a right track, that those activities will be continued, or if any loopholes occurs in the activities, then some corrective action should be taken in order to rectify that. Thank you. If you want to visit SMS Lucknow, then just visit our website as www.smslucknow.com. Campus address and city office address are also given, and these are the contact number through which you just get detailed information about SMS College. Thank you very much.